This are the fish. Each one has their own personality. Do you see that head? It's actually an octopus. Yeah, so let's zoom in. And we see a very black molly that I wanted for my fish tank. Then there's the top of the water. Where's the octopus? Oh, there's the octopus. Octopus don't make sound. There's the bubble. Nobody ever goes in it. Oh yeah, there's our Blastocemus. Last year he was tiny. Now look how big he is. He's the same size as he can stretch out from my dad's big finger down to his wrist, to about that place. He's crazy. We put him in the pond and he grew that much. There's nothing else in the pond.